Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming WhatsApp and your phone are updated so custom tones work smoothly. Open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Notifications now. You want to choose whether to use a built-in tone or a sound file saved on your device. If you prefer a file, place it in your phone's notifications or ringtones folder first. Once done, focus on the specific chat or global setting you'll change next. That's the action that actually sets the sound. You should now choose whether you're setting a global WhatsApp notification or a per chat tone. For a contact or group, open the chat, tap the name, then Notifications, otherwise use Settings Notifications. Tap Notification Tone, browse built-ins or your device's notifications folder, and select the sound you want. Make sure to play the preview so you hear it. This verifies volume and clarity. Once satisfied, tap OK or Save and move to Final Adjustments. Finish by ensuring your phone's media and notification volumes are up and Do Not Disturb is off for WhatsApp. Test with a message. If you don't hear the new tone, restart WhatsApp or reboot the phone first. If that fails, confirm the audio file is in the Notifications or Ringtones folder and in a compatible format like MP3 or M4A. Convert if needed. Finally, reassign the tone in WhatsApp and test again. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.